Today, I'm gonna be trying out Sam the Cooking Guy's easiest ever mac and cheese with just 2 ingredients, starting right now. To make this dish a tiny bit healthier, I'm gonna be using these whole wheat elbows for this recipe, but you can use any kind of macaroni that you like. This pasta cooks pretty fast, within about 5 to 6 minutes, so let's take it off the heat. We're gonna drain our pasta by placing a colander inside of a bowl to save the pasta water, and just be careful not to burn yourself with the steam. Now carefully transfer your drained macaroni back into the pot and just leave that bowl with pasta water handy for when we need it. Now in Sam the Cooking Guy's video, he suggests using some kind of flavored creamy style cheese such as a Parmesan cheese, but since we're making ours vegan, we're gonna be using Miyoko's classic Chive cashew milk cheese. I'm stoked to try this. Oh la la, look at that cashew chive cheese. Okay, so we are just gonna take some dollops of this and scoop it onto our macaroni. All right, that's the full package of the Miyoko's cheese. Now I'm just gonna scoop on some of that hot reserved pasta water that we had from earlier, just to help melt up the cheese a little bit and make this more saucy. Add a splash of that pasta water as needed, just to, again, make this into more of a creamy sauce. Oh, this is looking so good so far. And the more of the pasta water that you add, just a bit at a time, the more it's gonna turn this into more of like a liquidy, creamy sauce instead of that sticky texture that the cheese had originally. Ooh, yeah, this looks so good. Once the sauce is to your desired texture and it is looking thoroughly mixed, go ahead and season with some salt and black pepper. Look how good this came out with just the pasta and the Miyoko's cheese. I mean, I don't know how you can get 2 ingredient vegan mac and cheese better than that. Drop a like for that creamy texture, look at that. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, Miyoko, Broccoli is a good veggie to serve this with. This Miyoko's cheese has a little bit of a tanginess to it, and the chives sprinkled throughout add just a nice little savory burst of flavor in there with the black pepper. Definitely comment below if you try this dish out or if you've ever tried that Miyoko's chive cheese on anything else. I'm curious to know like how you'd like to use it. As you can see, this is a stupidly easy dish to put together. You could definitely do this on a weeknight when you're tired or busy. Also, thank you to Sam the Cooking Guy for inspiring this video, and let me know in the comments if you want me to veganize any other celebrity chef recipes on the channel. Subscribe for more easy recipes on this channel, and I will see you again next week. Bye. Today, I'm gonna try out Sam the Cooking Guy's easiest ever mac and cheese with just 2. Why are you laughing?